So very good morning and welcome to this particular course on the entrepreneurial manager. So here we are going to see a topic from Unit 3, which is called the BMC model. And the topic we are going to discuss today is actually key activities. So let us discuss on this particular discuss in details. So this is going to be the total discussions we're going to have today. So we're going to have 15 quick points, sub points. So we're going to discuss each of them in a very quick manner. So let us get into the slides. So this is actually a visual representation of how a business canvas model looks here actually, and we already seen that, and we're going to apply that to the today for the topic of what I say the key operations. Right now, already we need not have a much introduction about business model canvas, which is already there. But the key thing is actually it has got a 9 blocks, and these are the 9 blocks, and it actually helps a particular any person to visualize our business about a business. How does it create a value, how it captures and delivers a value. So, and also we need to a quick introduction about what do you mean by key activities, which is going to be the topic today. Key activities are the critical actions. What are the key activities? What are the very important actions which a business is actually required to be taking for the particular business model to work. So this is actually the definition of key activities. And so some of the topics of the key activities are the essential operations and what are the various tasks which need to deliver the value to the company, to the customer, to the stakeholders, and action that support the business. And let us go to the next. Now, for example, if you talk about image of a people working and assembly line in the digital workflow, so these are examples of a key activities, and then gear icon symbolizing process. Now, why do key activities matter? So key activities are very important. One is they actually reach the customers, and then the revenue generation becomes very efficient, and then the value propositions, building of the value proposition is also important. And categories of key activities is 3 major categories. One is the production activities, the problem solving activities, and then the platform network activities. So if you talk about the production activities, the brainstorming, the assembly line, okay, the digital platform and all this stuff. For example, if the production activities are manufacturing, for example, we talk about a car manufacturing, that you can take that as an example. And the product development and the quality management done in the organization. These are some of the production activities. So this is the continuation of the production of particular activities. When you talk about the problem-solving activities, then we have this research and development, which an organization undertakes, which is very important because research and development is very core to the development of the new products. And then customization of the products, and then creative problem solving. So this is the second category of key operations. And the third category is the platform and the network activities. If we talk about the platform management, see, the entire today we are in the age of AI, so it is completely driven by AI. So we're going to talk about platform management. We're going to talk about development of the algorithms. We're going to talk about matchmaking activities. So these are also coming under the platform network activities. And then this is an example of a platform development activities where we talk about an app. This is a simple example of a dashboard. And this is actually helping your business actually. This is the very important key activity which has to be done. Okay, this is also again shown in here. And again, in the platform development activities, the digital activities, the content creation. Today, the users, even for a B2B users, the content, the video content is very important. So content creation is a very continuous process, is a very key activity in any business scenario today. And the software update is also very critical because today, being in the AI age, we are continuously prone to a lot of AI cybersecurity threats. The software updates are very important, and data analytics also is the core of digital business. So again, UI, UX, these things are very important. And in the manufacturing activities, what are the key things which include that? The assembly, the inventory management, and the procurement. So these are some of the support things for that. Today we are completely into robotic manufacturing. So that's a big role which robots are playing today. Now, how do these key activities create value? One is actually the support, the brand value gets strengthened definitely, and the customer satisfaction gets increased. And the workflow automation, we get a clear workflow automation images. Okay. So, and then customer success images and all this stuff, we get it. This is actually the case study of Amazon. So Amazon key activities includes warehousing, logistics and delivery, AI driven and cloud infrastructure. So again, Amazon's case study here, Amazon fulfillment centers, highly automated centers with a lot of technology and a lot of efficiency and all that. So I think it's a very good thing. And so if you map the key activities, other blocks, key activities definitely influence the other BMC blocks like value proposition, the customer relationships, the cost structure, as well as the key resources. So this is again a visual form here. And how do we define your key activities? And first of all, any activity if you take, identify the value of the particular activity and check whether it is an essential, and also compare with the industry standards and prioritize high impact activities, align with the resources and partners. So this is how do you do it. And to conclude, key activities is very important and is the backbone of any organization and is a very important component of the business model canvas. They enable delivery and differentiation, and clear activities lead to efficient processes and sustainable growth. So thank you very much for patiently listening. Thank you.